Welcome to the very first Monday morning automation lesson. We are starting with the command line. Why? Because knowing how to use the command line is central to all test automation. With the command line, you can install software, create new folders, work with Git, and run automation scripts. In lesson 1 of the command line, we are going to learn how to find the command line window. Then we'll pin the window so it will be easy to access all the time, and we'll customize it so it will be easier to use. As we go through these command line lessons, whenever there's a difference between Windows and Mac, I'll show you what to do on Windows first and then on Mac. Let's get started. Let's learn how to find the command window on a Windows computer. So in the bottom left, we're going to search. We're going to type in CMD into the search field, and that is going to give us the command prompt application. So we will open up that app, and there it is. There's our command window. So now let's pin this program to the taskbar so that we'll be able to find it easily later. And then there's just one more thing I want to do with this command prompt window, and that is that the text is really small on this window. It is hard for me to see. So I would like to make it so that the font is going to be bigger whenever I open a command prompt window. So I'm going to right click here in the top of the window, and then I'm going to choose defaults. And then I'm going to change the font size to 18, and then just click OK. And so now next time when I open up this window, I'm going to get a larger font size. So let's check that out, make sure it works. And there we go. Now I have that larger font size and I've got my command prompt window. Now let's find the command line window on the Mac. So we will open up our Finder window. And then we will look for the folder called Utilities. We will double click on that, and then we'll find the application called Terminal. Terminal is Mac's name for the command line. So let's double click that, and that will open up. And now let's pin that to the dock so that we will always be able to find it easily. So we'll right click on Terminal, and we will choose Keep in Dock. Now there's a couple more things I want to do here. First of all, I don't want my command line to have a white background. I prefer a black background. And also this font is too small for me to see. So I'm going to go up into the terminal dropdown and I'm going to choose Settings. And then I'm going to click on the Profiles tab. And then you can see all of these neat looking profiles that Mac offers for the command line window. I'm going to choose Pro, because that's got that black background with the white text that I like. And then I'm just going to change the font here from 10 points to 18 points. So it will be easier for me to read. So the one more thing I need to do here is I need to go to the General tab. And now I need to say on Startup, open the Pro window. So I will get that profile that I want. So let's close that out and let's quit the terminal. And then we will reopen it and we will see if it opens with the profile that I want. And it does. That looks great. Thanks for watching this video. If you found my training helpful, please like this video and share it with others. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single lesson.